Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about a Panamax vessel. The vessel's name is Brilliant Venus. It's going to discharge in the first port, and after discharging in a certain drop, uh, the question is how much remaining cargo to be completed discharge. Okay, so meaning how much remaining cargo to be discharged upon completion of discharging. Okay, so let's start, guys. This is the scenario. MV Brilliant Venus is discharging coal at first discharge port, where partial cargo to be discharged. At present, the drop reading forward is 13.55 meters and up is 13.75 meters. She is floating at a density of 1.020 tons per cubic meter. The target drop upon completion of unloading is 12.80. The question is how much is the balance of cargo to be discharged? So from 13.55 going down to 12.80 meters, how much cargo will be discharged to reach 12.80? Okay? So how much is the balance of cargo to be discharged? So with 13.55 going down to 12.80, how much will be the cargo balance to be discharged upon completion or loading of 12.80? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. This is form number 6. This the name of the vessel is, sorry, MB Brilliant Venus. Okay, then let's start here. So the drop forward is how much? Forward is 13.55. So put here 13.55, and drop up is 13.75. So 13.75. Okay, then your min drop is 1365. Your trim is 0.20 meters, your LCF, MTC, and TPC. Okay, and your actual mid port, should I say 13.65, 13.65, and the actual mid starboard drop is 13.65, no less, 13.65. Okay, take note that the drop of completion is 12.80. Okay, so 12.80. Now take note of the question. How much is the balance of cargo to be discharged to reach from 13.55 going down to 12.80? So how much cargo going to be discharged? And the answer is 8,243. Okay, that is the answer to the question. Now the question stops here. It only stops here. Double check 1355, 1375. 1355, 1375. Okay, 12, 1365, 1280. Okay, so this is the remaining cargo to be discharged. Okay, so this is where the question stops, but we will continue, guys. We will continue this one. So in discharging, just follow this one, then write, let's make this a whole number. That will be negative A243. Okay, sorry, 43. A2 8243. Okay, press enter. And take note guys, upon discharging 8,243, your mid drop will be 12.80, which is actually the same there. And the rise, the vessel to rise is 8.0.85 meters. Okay, take note that actual cargo to be discharged is 8,243. We have here 8,243, and your TPC is 96.98. So negative 82.43 divided by 96.98, that will be negative 85 divided by 100, that will be 0.85 negative. So your present drop of 1365 minus or rise, that will be 0.85, and your final made is 1280, which is exactly the same here. Okay, take note the target is negative 82.43, and the recommended is 82, negative 82.43.3. So this is a difference of 0.3. Then this is the actual cargo to be discharged. Then you go to trim holes 2. You go to trim holes 2, go up, take note of the cargo to be discharged. This is trim 2 holes or trimming with 2 holes. Cargo to be discharged is 8,243. Your initial drop, your main drop, trim, MTC, LCF, and TPC. And the cargo to be discharged from is from hold number 1 and hold number 7. Okay? So, you want to make the vessel even keel, so no trim, put 0. Okay? Or let's say you want to have a trim of 10 centimeters, 0.10. Okay? 110. And cargo to be discharged in number 1 is 3556. 3556. Let's say 3556. Negative 3556. That's correct. 3556. 3556. Okay. And number 7 will be negative 4687. Negative 4687. And your departure drop would be 12 forward 12.75, up would be 1285. Your trim is 10 centimeters, and your main drop is 1280. And your hug deflection is 0, hug condition. So we go back to, take note of this figure guys. Number 1 is 3556, 7 is 4687. Then we go to form number 6, go back, and take note that the cargo here to be discharged number 1 is 3556, 7 is 4687. 3556, 4687. Okay? Once the figure is correct, so in number 1, place it the figure, and number 7, put the figure and apply the LCG. What is the LCG of number 1? LCG of number 1 is negative 9524. Yeah. And number 7 is 78.93. 78.93. Okay, confirm. And your departure drop would be forward is 12.75, up is 12.85 with a trim of 10 centimeters, which is exactly the same here. And main drop is 1280, and your deflection is 0. Then this will be your program number 1, program number 2, and program number 3. This is the by trim table. So this is the weight to be discharged. hold number 7, 1, and 7, and the way to be discharged. The correction for hold number 1, forward correction is this one, and up correction, and number 7, forward and up correction. Okay, what will be the drop here? Our drop should be 75 and 85. Okay, well, anyway, what is the correction for forward number 1? Number 1, this is what will be the trim here? What will be the drop? That will be almost 13. Okay, 13. So we choose 13. 13. Okay, here 13. That will be 13. Hold number 1 and number 7 is 13. Okay. So what is the correction in hold number 1? Forward is 6. Put here 6. Again 6. Okay, put 6. Put here 6. Enter. And now correction is how much? Negative 29. Negative 29. Negative 2.9. And correction in number 7. Go down. Forward correction number 7 will be negative 1.8. Negative 1.8. And up correction will be 4.9. Okay. So 4.9. Okay. Take note that the trim is 1.091, 1.91, and forward is 10.55557, and up is 12 point. It's way out from 12.75. Okay. So 12.75, we will adjust this one to reach 12.75. So we put here 5. Take note of this forward drop. What will happen? 593. Okay, we put it to 4. What will be the drop here? 11. Make it 3. 3. 12. Should be how much? 12.75. 12.75. Okay. Make this 2. Okay. Enter. Okay. Make this 1. For example. What happens? Enter. 12.75. Make this 0. Okay. Negative 0.99. Make this negative 0.99. I'm sorry. Negative 0.99. Oh, too much. Make it 1, a 0. 75. 0.75. Negative 0.09. Negative 0.09. Okay. Make it negative 0.8. Oh boy. This should be 9. and this should be 10. 10. Make it 11. There you go. 1275. Then your up is 1248. Should be 1285. So 1285. 1285. 1248. Make this 4. Make it 4. 1248. Too much. Undo. Make it 5. I'm sorry. 12.5. 6. 63. Undo. 48. You make this 10. What happens? 48. Okay. Should be 85, right? 85. Then adjust a little more. 9. 09. What happens? 09. 08. 07. 07. Make it 06. Make it 5. Make it 4. Okay, 4. Make it 09. 3. Sorry. 3. Make it 2. Still nothing changes. Make it 0. Then 10. What will be 09? Please. 09. Make this 8. Oh, it's not good. Make this 9. It's 9 5. Make this 9 6. 9 6. Make this 9 7. Dito eh. Ito. Should be, make this 10. 1. 56. 10 9. Make this 9. Pwede. Make this 10. 9 siya. 10. 09. 09. Make this 9. 5. Ang laking lumaki ah. 07 08 09 6. Seven. Lumaki. 06, 07, 04. How much? 04. Tumaas lalo. 6. Okay, reduce. 8. 7. 2. 10. 6. 1. Then 10. Okay, make this 12. There you go. 1275, 1285, 10, and 1280. Then your deflection. Let's say 13. What happens? Take note of this deflection, guys. 13. 13, what happens? 45. Increase. So go back. Then that's it. So from 6 is 1. Hold 2, 2, and trim table. Okay. Then we go to the fourth program, which is form number 7. How to find draft and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean draft. And take note of the density is 1.020. 1.020. So 1.020, and the density upon completion is 1.020. Okay. How much is the drop forward? Forward drop is 1355. 13.55. Drop up is 1375. 13.75. Okay, your mean is 1365, trim is 0.20. Then you apply the cargo in hold number 1. How much cargo to be discharged is negative 3556. What here? 3556. And number 7, how much in number 7 is negative 4687. Negative 4687. Is that correct? Negative 4687. Okay. And the LCG of number 1 LCG of number 1. LCG is negative 9524. Negative 9524. Number 7 is 787893. 7 is 7893. Confirm. And what will be our draft? Mean draft is 1280, and the forward draft is 1276. We have 1275, and updraft is 1284. Updraft is 1285, and your main is 1280. Okay, 1280. Your main is 1280. Your trim is 10 centimeters, and your trim here is 0.8 centimeters because of this drop forward and up. But anyway, this should be what matters more is your main drop of 12.80. Regardless of your drop forward and up, as long as your main is 1280, that's okay. You will still get the cargo, and your main here is 1280 and your main is 1280, meaning you still hit the target. And here the main drop is 1280 and your main is 1280, so it's no problem. And here the main drop is 1280, main is 1280, so it's almost the same. So that's it, guys. So you have 4 programs to back you up. You hold for number 7, which is this one. For number 7, you have the trim table, and you have the trim holds 2, and your form number 6, which is fine trim when handling several moderate weights. Trim holds 2, trimming with 2 holes, trim table, trimming table, and the last one, form number 7, is how to find draft and trim when handling weights involving large changes in wind draft. Okay, and this is almost the same with your rest of the program. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and good night.